Have you ever wondered how astronauts sleep in space? Let's talk about astronauts aboard the International Space Station. The main challenge for sleep in space is the lack of gravity. Astronauts aboard the ISS don't quite get to crawl into bed like we do here on Earth. The living quarters on the ISS are about the size of a phone booth. Here's a photo that astronaut Scott Kelly shared of his living quarters when he was aboard the ISS. In order to simulate the feeling of sleeping on Earth, astronauts tether themselves to the walls of the space station. It really doesn't matter which way they are facing since every direction feels the same in microgravity. In this photo, you can see the sleeping bag that Scott Kelly used in his living quarters. Around the middle, there's a bungee cord, and having bungee cord like this gives it that extra pressure to make it feel like you're on Earth. Some astronauts do the same thing around their head to give the feeling that they're laying on a pillow. On top of the lack of gravity, the sights and sounds in space are also something to contend with. Bedtime on the ISS means crawling into your sleeping bag, strapping yourself in, and throwing in some earplugs and maybe an eye mask as well. How well do you think you would sleep in space?